listen. Practice, speak. Practice makes you perfect.
Have you ever been to a fashion show? Have you ever been to a fashion show? Share a memorable school performance. Share a memorable school performance. What's your favorite type of sports activity? What's your favorite type of sports activity? Do you enjoy going to the circus? Do you enjoy going to the circus? How do you stay organized in your home? How do you stay organized in your home? What's your favorite type of pizza topping? What's your favorite type of pizza topping? Have you ever been to a poetry reading? Have you ever been to a poetry reading? Share a favorite childhood memory outdoors. Share a favorite childhood memory outdoors. What's your favorite type of milkshake flavor? What's your favorite type of milkshake flavor? Do you enjoy attending music festivals? Do you enjoy attending music festivals? How do you handle conflicts with others? How do you handle conflicts with others? What's your favorite type of soup flavor? What's your favorite type of soup flavor? Have you ever tried a new fitness class? Have you ever tried a new fitness class? Share a memorable family road trip. Share a memorable family road trip. What's your favorite type of energy drink? What's your favorite type of energy drink? Have you ever tried a new type of cuisine? Have you ever tried a new type of cuisine? Share a memorable family holiday. Share a memorable family holiday. What's your favorite type of smoothie? What's your favorite type of smoothie? How do you stay positive at work? How do you stay positive at work? What's your favorite type of fruit juice? What's your favorite type of fruit juice? Have you ever tried a new form of exercise? Have you ever tried a new form of exercise? Share a memorable school project. Share a memorable school project. What's your favorite type of breakfast juice? What's your favorite type of breakfast juice? How do you stay motivated to exercise? How do you stay motivated to exercise? What's your favorite type of pizza crust? What's your favorite type of pizza crust? Have you ever tried a new fitness class? Have you ever tried a new fitness class? How's the weather today? How's the weather today? What's your favorite type of cuisine? What's your favorite type of cuisine? Do you enjoy reading books? Do you enjoy reading books? Where did you go on your last vacation? Where did you go on your last vacation? What's the best advice you've ever received? What's the best advice you've ever received? Can you speak any other languages? Can you speak any other languages? Describe your ideal weekend. Describe your ideal weekend. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? Have you ever tried a new hobby? Have you ever tried a new hobby? How do you stay active? How do you stay active? What's your favorite type of music? What's your favorite type of music? Do you prefer tea or coffee? Do you prefer tea or coffee? Share a memorable childhood experience. Share a memorable childhood experience. What's your go-to comfort food? What's your go-to comfort food? Have you ever been to a live concert? Have you ever been to a live concert? How do you handle stress? How do you handle stress? What's your dream job? What's your dream job? Do you like to cook? Do you like to cook? What's your favorite movie genre? What's your favorite movie genre? Are you a morning person? Are you a morning person? Share a goal you have for this year. Share a goal you have for this year. What's your favorite holiday? What's your favorite holiday? Have you ever tried meditation? Have you ever tried meditation? Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? What's your favorite type of dessert? What's your favorite type of dessert? How do you stay motivated? How do you stay motivated? What's the last book you read? What's the last book you read? Do you have a favorite quote? Do you have a favorite quote? What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season? Do you enjoy hiking in nature? Do you enjoy hiking in nature? What's your favorite board game? What's your favorite board game? How do you relax after a long day? How do you relax after a long day? Are you a cat person or a dog person? Are you a cat person or a dog person? What's your favorite childhood memory? What's your favorite childhood memory? How do you stay connected with friends? How do you stay connected with friends? What's your favorite type of exercise? What's your favorite type of exercise? Have you ever traveled solo? Have you ever traveled solo? Do you enjoy going to the beach? Do you enjoy going to the beach? What's your favorite type of sandwich? What's your favorite type of sandwich? Have you ever been to a museum? Have you ever been to a museum? How do you handle setbacks? How do you handle setbacks? What's your favorite type of coffee? What's your favorite type of coffee? Do you enjoy attending parties? Do you enjoy attending parties? Share a favorite childhood toy. Share a favorite childhood toy. What's your favorite type of pasta? What's your favorite type of pasta? Have you ever tried a new sport? Have you ever tried a new sport? How do you stay positive in tough times? How do you stay positive in tough times? What's your favorite type of flower? What's your favorite type of flower? Do you have a favorite childhood book? Do you have a favorite childhood book? How do you handle time management? How do you handle time management? What's your favorite type of burger? What's your favorite type of burger? Have you ever been to a comedy club? Have you ever been to a comedy club? Do you enjoy gardening? Do you enjoy gardening? What's your favorite type of soup? What's your favorite type of soup? Share a memorable travel experience. Share a memorable travel experience. How do you stay organized at work? How do you stay organized at work? What's your favorite type of fruit? What's your favorite type of fruit? Have you ever been to a concert abroad? Have you ever been to a concert abroad? Share a favorite childhood game. Share a favorite childhood game. What's your favorite type of ice cream? What's your favorite type of ice cream? How do you handle success? How do you handle success? Do you enjoy cooking for others? Do you enjoy cooking for others? What's your favorite type of salad? What's your favorite type of salad? Have you ever attended a live play? Have you ever attended a live play? How do you stay creative? How do you stay creative? What's your favorite type of chocolate? What's your favorite type of chocolate? Do you enjoy attending art exhibitions? Do you enjoy attending art exhibitions? What's your favorite type of cookie? What's your favorite type of cookie? Have you ever been to a fashion show? Have you ever been to a fashion show? How do you handle criticism? How do you handle criticism? What's your favorite type of wine? What's your favorite type of wine? Share a memorable family gathering. Share a memorable family gathering. What's your favorite type of cheese? What's your favorite type of cheese? Do you enjoy watching sports? Do you enjoy watching sports? How do you stay focused on your goals? How do you stay focused on your goals? What's your favorite type of pastry? What's your favorite type of pastry? Have you ever been on a road trip? Have you ever been on a road trip? Share a favorite childhood movie. Share a favorite childhood movie. What's your favorite type of sushi? What's your favorite type of sushi? How do you stay positive at work? How do you stay positive at work? What's your favorite type of breakfast? What's your favorite type of breakfast? Have you ever tried a new language? Have you ever tried a new language? Share a memorable school trip. Share a memorable school trip. What's your favorite type of bread? What's your favorite type of bread? Do you enjoy attending poetry readings? Do you enjoy attending poetry readings? How do you handle pressure? How do you handle pressure? What's your favorite type of hot drink? What's your favorite type of hot drink? Have you ever been to a zoo? Have you ever been to a zoo? Share a favorite childhood holiday. Share a favorite childhood holiday. What's your favorite type of cereal? What's your favorite type of cereal? Do you enjoy attending art classes? Do you enjoy attending art classes? How do you handle change? How do you handle change? What's your favorite type of cake? What's your favorite type of cake? Have you ever tried a new recipe? Have you ever tried a new recipe? Share a memorable family outing. Share a memorable family outing. What's your favorite type of sandwich spread? What's your favorite type of sandwich spread? How do you stay organized in your personal life? How do you stay organized in your personal life? What's your favorite type of pancake topping? What's your favorite type of pancake topping? Have you ever attended a live musical? Have you ever attended a live musical? Share a favorite childhood adventure. Share a favorite childhood adventure. What's your favorite type of breakfast cereal? What's your favorite type of breakfast cereal? How do you stay positive in challenging times? How do you stay positive in challenging times? What's your favorite type of breakfast pastry? What's your favorite type of breakfast pastry? Do you enjoy going to the gym? Do you enjoy going to the gym? What's your favorite type of workout? What's your favorite type of workout? Have you ever tried a new type of exercise? Have you ever tried a new type of exercise? Share a memorable school project. Share a memorable school project. What's your favorite type of breakfast juice? What's your favorite type of breakfast juice? How do you stay motivated to exercise? How do you stay motivated to exercise? What's your favorite type of pizza crust? What's your favorite type of pizza crust? Have you ever tried a new fitness class? Have you ever tried a new fitness class? Share a favorite childhood holiday memory. Share a favorite childhood holiday memory. What's your favorite type of dinner roll? What's your favorite type of dinner roll? How do you stay positive during tough times? How do you stay positive during tough times? What's your favorite type of energy drink? What's your favorite type of energy drink? Have you ever tried a new type of cuisine? Have you ever tried a new type of cuisine? Share a memorable family holiday. Share a memorable family holiday. What's your favorite type of smoothie? What's your favorite type of smoothie? How do you stay positive at work? How do you stay positive at work? What's your favorite type of fruit juice? What's your favorite type of fruit juice? Have you ever tried a new form of exercise? Have you ever tried a new form of exercise? Share a memorable school field trip. Share a memorable school field trip. What's your favorite type of pizza topping? What's your favorite type of pizza topping? How do you stay positive in difficult situations? How do you stay positive in difficult situations? What's your favorite type of salad dressing? What's your favorite type of salad dressing? Have you ever tried a new type of salad? Have you ever tried a new type of salad? Share a favorite childhood dessert. Share a favorite childhood dessert. What's your favorite type of energy bar? What's your favorite type of energy bar? How do you stay positive during challenges? How do you stay positive during challenges? What's your favorite type of hot chocolate? What's your favorite type of hot chocolate? Have you ever tried a new type of tea? Have you ever tried a new type of tea? Share a memorable family celebration. Share a memorable family celebration. What's your favorite type of dessert sauce? What's your favorite type of dessert sauce? How do you stay positive in tough times? How do you stay positive in tough times? What's your favorite type of pasta sauce? What's your favorite type of pasta sauce? Have you ever tried a new type of coffee? Have you ever tried a new type of coffee? Share a memorable school play. Share a memorable school play. What's your favorite type of protein bar? What's your favorite type of protein bar? How do you stay positive during setbacks? How do you stay positive during setbacks? What's your favorite type of workout music? What's your favorite type of workout music? Have you ever tried a new type of soup? Have you ever tried a new type of soup? Share a favorite childhood family tradition. Share a favorite childhood family tradition. What's your favorite type of breakfast sandwich? What's your favorite type of breakfast sandwich? How do you stay positive during adversity? How do you stay positive during adversity? What's your favorite type of tea blend? What's your favorite type of tea blend? Have you ever tried a new type of bread? Have you ever tried a new type of bread? Share a memorable family reunion. Share a memorable family reunion. What's your favorite type of dessert pie? What's your favorite type of dessert pie? How do you stay positive during challenges? How do you stay positive during challenges? What's your favorite type of chocolate bar? What's your favorite type of chocolate bar? Have you ever tried a new type of fruit? Have you ever tried a new type of fruit? Share a memorable school dance. Share a memorable school dance. What's your favorite type of protein shake? What's your favorite type of protein shake? How do you stay positive during difficulties? How do you stay positive during difficulties? What's your favorite type of dessert cake? What's your favorite type of dessert cake? Have you ever tried a new type of candy? Have you ever tried a new type of candy?